Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to open an existing file from your Excel sheet using Hyperlink. This Hyperlink is very useful when you want to access a file which is in any location within your computer or any network drive which you want to access from your Excel sheet. This is a plain Excel sheet where I want to create a hyperlink which will open a file from my computer. So to create a hyperlink, we can right click in any cell and click on this link command which will open this dialog box, or else the shortcut is Ctrl K, or else we can go to the insert tab and here is this command link. Click here and it will open this dialog box. Now here in the left side you can see link to existing file or web page. So because we are going to link to an existing file, we will select this option, and in the right side there are different browse options. Here you can browse to your file, or if you have the complete file path, you can provide that file path here in this address bar, or you can click here in this icon which says browse for file. So click here, and in this location I have some files. So here in this drop down we have to select all files, and let's link to this text file. Double click here, and here in the text to display you can see the complete file path here, and in this address bar also you can see the complete file path is here. Let's give a screen tip. Let me write here text file, click on OK, and then click on OK. So here you can see one hyperlink is created for that particular file, but it shows the entire file path in this link. So let's change this hyperlink text to a user-friendly name. Right click here, click on this edit hyperlink, and here in this text to display, let me give a name text file and click on OK. So here the hyperlink text is changed. You can also see the screen tip is here, that is text file. So now if you click here, it will ask, do you want to continue? Click on yes, and it will open my text file. This is your text file, my data, and it contains some data, that is 001. Let me update this. Let me add some more data, 002. Save it and then close it. And if you click on this link here, click yes, and it will open the updated file. So that is how we can access to any file which is there in our computer or any network drive. We can open that file and we can edit that file and save that as well. Let's close this file. So like this, you can link to any type of file, that may be a Word file or Excel file or any video file also you can link. Let's link to a video file here. Ctrl K. I'll go to that folder. So here I have a video file. Double click here, and again let's just change this text. Screen tip, just video. Click on OK. Click on OK. And now if you click here, click on yes. Click on OK. Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to create different types of objects inside our Excel sheet. This is my Excel sheet. Let's close this. So that is how you can put a hyperlink in your Excel sheet and you can open any file. This is how hyperlink helps you to open any file from your Excel sheet. I hope you like this feature. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.